Hi friends, now 10th class maths statistics last chapter. In that we are going to discuss OG curves, 4 marks important question. So this type of OG curves are very most important. Every year the question is compulsory. So how can we solve? See the one question. Draw the less than OG curve. Find the median from the graph. So taken from March 19. So first question, given the student's IQ 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, 100 to 110, 110 to 120, 120 to 130. Next, number of students 2, 5, 12, 31, 39, 10, 4. This is the question. Okay, na? So, what is asking? Less than OG curve. So, first of all, write the first row terms in the first column. What is that? IQ taken as class interval. Taken as class interval CI. What is that? 60 to 70, next 70 to 80, next 80 to 90, next 90 to 100, 100 to 110, next 110 to 120, next 120 to 130. Okay, now how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now everyone is written. Next one is number of students taken as frequency Fi. What is that? First one 2, and 70 to 80 5, next 12, next 31, next 39, next 10, next 4. Next question asked for less than or equal. So take less than cumulative frequency. LCF means less than cumulative frequency. So first one as it is, write down. First one as it is. Next 2 plus 5. How much? 7. Yes. Next 7 plus 12. 19. Next 19 plus 31. How much? 50. 50 plus 39. 89. 89 plus 10. 99. 99 plus 4. 103. Okay, na? Next point. Because to draw the graph, we know the points. How can we define points x comma y? See, in this less than cumulative frequency curve, we should take the x value is upper limit and LCF. What is the upper limit here? 70. What is LCF? 2. So 70 comma 2 is the first point. Next 80 comma 7. 80 comma 7. Next 90 comma 19. Next 100 comma 50. 100 comma 50. Next 110 comma 89. 110 comma 89. Next 120 comma 99. 120 comma 99. Next 130 comma 103. So these are the points. Okay, na? I'm taking graph. All are positive terms. So graph will become in the first quadrant. Okay, na? Suppose like this is the graph sheet. In that we can write 0. I'm taking 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so and so. Okay, na? For each centimeter I taken 10, 10, 10 units. For here also taken 10, 10 units. Okay, what is first point? 70 comma 2. Where is 70 on x-axis? Here. 70. Y-axis 2. So 70 comma 2. This is 70 comma 2. Up. Next 80 comma 7. 80 comma 7 means 10 below. Suppose this is 80, 10, so some down, little bit down. 80 comma 7. Next 90 comma 19. For 19, 19. So below 20. Below 20. Next 150. For 100 taken as 50. 50, 100. You know, is this only? Once check. 100 comma. Okay. 100 comma 50. Next 110 comma 89. For 110, so 89 means below 90. One below. Okay. 110 comma 90. Next 120 comma 99. 120, 99 means below 100. Next 130 comma 103. So for 130, So take 103 above 100. So these are the points. Now we have to join all the points. Okay. Now we have to join these points. How can we join? By using hand we can join. We have to join. But the question is asking for median also. To get exact answer, use scale. Okay na? Join any two between scale. Okay, all points are joined. So this is the graph less than cumulative frequency curve. That is the required graph. Okay, on the x-axis we have taken upper limits. On x-axis we have taken upper limits. On y-axis we have taken less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequencies. Less than cumulative frequencies that. Okay, na? So this is the graph. What is the scale? On x-axis, 1 centimeter equal, how many units are taken? 10 units. On x-axis, 10 units. On y-axis, 1 centimeter equal also 10 units are taken. Okay, now this is the graph, less than cumulative frequency graph. But in additionally, asking for find the median from the graph. How can we find the median from the graph? To find the median, take n value. What is n value? Total. Sum of all values is n value. That is 103. This is taken as small n. Okay, na? Sum of the frequency is taken as n 103. So 103 by 2. 103 by 2. How much? 51.5. 103 by 2 means 51.5. So where is 51.5 on y-axis? Here it may be 51, next 52, next 53, 55, so and so. Between 50 and 51, so 50.5. So join. Okay, na? Join this line. Sorry, draw this line. To intersect. Up to where? Up to intersect the previous less than cumulative curve. And take and join okay na? After 100 it intersect on x-axis. Therefore median equal 100 point something, for example 5 or 4. The median answer is 100.4. So this is the less than cumulative curve. Once again listen. First take the table. In the table first IQ is written in the class interval as, next number of students taken as frequencies. Next write it less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequencies first number as it is. Next adding 2 to 5. 2 plus 5 7. Next 7 plus 12 19. 19 plus 31 50. 51 plus 39 89. 89 plus 10 99. 99 plus 4 103. So upper limit and less than cumulative is 0.2. In every term upper limit and less than cumulative term frequency. So after getting points, take the graph sheet and take as 10, 20, 30 and 20 same. Okay, na? Mention the point, plot the points and join the all points. After that, graph is required graph is over. Next to find median, do the sum of frequencies taken as n and find n by 2 value. So what is the n by 2 value here? 51.5. So where it is 51.5 on the axis, here it is. Okay, na? Draw a line up to intersect the previous curve. Here it is intersect, and from there join to intersect the x-axis. Where it intersect on x-axis? It is intersect at 100.4. So that is the median. Okay, na? Let us take one more question. Okay, I'm taking second question. Similarly, same. Draw the less than ogive curve. Daily expenditure of 25 householders are given. So taken from March 15th. Okay, now just asking only less than curve. So daily expenditure given 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350. Where the number of students are 4, 5, 12, 2, 2. Okay, now daily expenditure 100 to 150 చేసే వాళ్ళు 4 members అని విని. ఇది సేమ్ ఓకేనా. moreover maybe 100 150 150 200 means you have to take scale on x axis like 50 sorry 0 50 100 150 okay na. Then draw the 50 100 150 200, better to take scale like that. You know, similarly third question, the following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Draw less than type or give curve. So taken from June 18th law. Age in year 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Number of patients are 8, 15, 25, 27, 18, 7. So this is the question. Same, draw the less than or give curve. This is one of the type of or give curves. First one is less than or give curve. So next we have more than or give curve also. Now I am going to explain that. Next second method, more than type or give curve. Okay, just now we have discussed less than type or give curve. Now more than or type or give curve. In that one question is fourth one. Heights of the pupils of a particular school are given. Draw the greater than or give curve. Find median from the or give curve. Okay, same. Okay, what is given? Heights 90 to 100, 100 to 110, 110 to 120, 120 to 130, 130 to 140, 140 to 150. Okay, wherever the number of pupils are 5, 2, 3, 8, 8, 6. Pupils means students. Okay, first usually first one taken as class interval, second one taken as frequency. Next we are asking for more than type, greater than or more than, both are same. So asking for more than or greater than. So greater than type or give frequency. Sorry, greater than type frequency. Greater than cumulative frequency. Greater than type. Greater than type cumulative frequency. Next point x comma y. Okay, what are the heights are given? 90 to 100. First one is 90 to 100. Next 100 to 110. Next 110 to 120. Next 120 to 130. Next 130 to 140. Next 140 to 150. Next frequencies 5, 2, 3, 8, 8, 6. Okay, na? Here we have to write a greater than type cumulative frequency. Okay, na? Less than means from upper to bottom. Greater than means from bottom to up. So what is bottom? 6. Next 6 plus 8, 14. Next 14 plus 8, 22. Next 22 plus 3, 25. Next 25 plus 2, 27. Next 27 plus 5, 32. So these are the taken as y-axis terms. Now point is here lower limit and greater than type. What is lower limit? 90 comma 32. Okay, na? For less than we have to take upper limit and number. For more than type curve, okay, na? Lower limit and number. Here lower limit 100 comma 27. Next 110 comma 25. Next 120 comma 22. Next 130 comma 8. Next 140 comma 6. These are the points. So we have to draw on the graph sheet. So I am taking graph sheet. Okay, na? Already for you graph will be provided. Okay, na? So I am taking values. I have taken graph sheet. Okay, na? So x-axis, y-axis. On graph sheet taken the points on y-axis 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 units I have taken because of the values are up to 32 only. But on x-axis the values up to 140 is there. Here graph sheet is not sufficient. That's why I am drawing like in this and taken from 80 and then 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. So 10 units are taken. Okay, na? If graph sheet is sufficient, then you can take 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so and so also. Okay, na? That is depend on our graph sheet and our numbers. Okay, first point 90 comma 32. Here 90, 32, here 32. Yes, after 30, in between there are 5 units only. Okay, 90, 32. Next 127. For 100, 25 after 27. Next 120, 22. 120, 22. Okay, above 20. 22. Next 130, 8. For 130, 8. So below 10. Next 146. 140 after 5, 6. Next what we have to, we should draw the, join the all points. Okay na? We should plot the points and median. After that we have to draw the given points. Okay na? What about this? This is called more than type cumulative ogive curve. More than type ogive curve. This is called. Okay na? What is the scale? On x-axis 1 centimeter equal 10 units. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal how many units? 555. So 5 units. And this is the graph. And more are asking find the median from the graph. Okay? Same. Median means sum of all frequencies how much? Add these two we are getting 32. So n equal 32. 32 means half of 32. N by 2. So n equal 32. N by 2 equal 32 by 2 equal 16. So where is the 16 on y-axis? Here it is the after 15 and below 20. Maybe here 16. Okay. From 16, draw a line up to intersect the given graph and join from here to small mistake here. Okay, it is intersected. Then okay na, approximately here it is. Okay na, okay na? Draw the graph sheet. It may be 127 point median equal 127.5 is the median of the given question. Okay. Next, fifth question. The marks of 100 students in a C1 mathematics are given below. Draw ogive graph of less than and greater than. So June 19th question, last year question. So marks are given 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80. So number of students are who got 50 to 55, 2 members, and 55 to 60, 8 members, and 60 to 65 got 12 members, 65 to 70, 24 members, 70 to 75, 38 members, 75 to 80 marks are 16 members. This is the question. So for this, draw the diagram. What is the first one? Class interval. What is second one? Frequency. Okay na? Now what is class interval? 50 to 55. Next 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80. This is the question mark. Class interval. Next number of students taken as frequency 2, 8, 12, 24, 38, 16. Okay na? Asking two questions. One is less than, one is greater than. So first I am taking less than cumulative frequency and point. Okay. First 2 as it is 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 12, 22, 22 plus 24. How much? 46. 46 plus 38, 684, 84. 84 plus 16, 100. So these are the less than cumulative frequency. For less than cumulative, upper limit and point. What is the point? 55 comma 2. Next 60 comma 10. Next 65 comma 22. Next 70 comma 46. Next 75 comma 84. Next 80 comma 100. Okay na? These are the points for less than cumulative one. This is the first graph. What is second one? Greater than. Okay, na? That only I am doing here. Two lines I am drawing. Okay, na? Up to greater than cumulative frequency. Greater than cumulative frequency, how can we write? You just forget these two columns. Okay, na? Come to here. What is the first one? 16. Okay, write 16. Next 16. 16 plus 38. Okay, na? You just forget these two lines. Okay, na? 16 plus 38. How much? 68. 38 plus 16. 54. Okay. 54 plus 24. How much? 78. 78 plus 12. How much? 90. Okay, good. 90 plus 8. 98. 98 plus 2. 100. Okay, na? Greater than also got it. How can we find point x comma y? Here we have to take lower limit. 50, 100. 50 comma 100. Next 55 comma 98. Okay, na? Two questions asked in the one question only. 60 to 90. Next 65 for 65 78. Next for 70 54. Next for 75 16. 75 16. Okay, for this we have to draw the graph. So I'm going to take graph sheet. Take any graph sheet. First one less than cumulative frequency. First one is 55 comma 2. Okay, on x-axis taken 0, 10, 20, 30, 10, 10 minutes. On y-axis also 10, 10 minutes. First one is 55 comma 2. 55 means in between just 2 and 2 is here. Next 60 comma 10. 60 comma 10. So 60, suppose here 10. Next 65 comma 22. 65 means in between these two. 65 comma 22, about 20. Next 70 comma 46. 70 comma 46. Above 40. Let's here. If you take graph sheet, you will get exact point. So you must take graph sheet. So 75 comma 84. 75 comma, so in this between this 75 84. Next 80 comma 100. For 80 100. Okay, we have to join the all points. I joined the all points, and this is the less than type forgive curve. First one is completed. Next second, greater than. For greater than, second points are, this is the second graph, second curve points. 50 to 100. For 50 100. Next for 55 98. 55 98. Next 60 90. 60 90. Next 65 78. 65 78. Next 70 54. For 70 54. Next 75 60. 75 60. So now join these points. This is the point is here, just small 80 90. Okay, so this is the second one, more than type forgive curve. Okay, that's why take a graph sheet. If you take graph sheet, you will get exact point. Okay, we never got any problem. And this is the less than, this is the more than. So don't forget to write scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter equal 10 units. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. Okay, these are the graphs. And if you want median, also we can say which is the intersect point. From intersect point to draw a line. Okay, wherever it can intersect on x-axis, that is the median. So what about this is, here we have taken lower and upper limits. Both we have taken here. Less than cumulative frequency and more than cumulative frequency both are taken. So these are the Ogilvy curves. These are very most important. Every year we must can see one question from the graph sheet. So if you know the Ogilvy curves how to draw, you have 4 marks from 10th class marks. Okay, na? I will give you one question for your homework. So one more question. Draw the both Ogilvy curves. Both Ogilvy curves. March 17th question. Life of span in years, frequency 0 to 28, 20 to 40, 12, 40 to 60, 15, 60 to 80, 23, 80 to 100, 18, 110, 100 to 120, 14. Okay, na? Draw both Ogilvy curves. Okay, na? If you want median, join from intersection of two curves to x-axis, and where the x-axis intersected, that is the median. Okay? From graph also, from both curves we can say median. So this is the relation between Ogilvy curves and median. This is very important. And also please subscribe, dear friends, and don't forget to share with your friends. All the best. Thank you.